Hi, my buddies in first grade. I promised you this video because what this does is it enables you to practice our short A sound by reading the words. And what we do is we take our letter, short A, which says ah. It says ah like apple. This is the lowercase a. And then what we do is we say the sound that each letter makes and then put them together. For example, if I said the sounds at, I should go like this, at, I'm making the word mat. But when we're reading, actually I shouldn't say but, when we're reading, we do the same thing, but we're looking at the letters as well as saying the sounds, as well as putting them together. So we're practicing 3 skills that we're learning. So we're going to take our short A sound, and it's going to be placed in the middle of words. And we're going to say the sounds that each letter makes and blend them together to read the word. This takes us a lot of practice, and a couple of us have been practicing it, but we're just going to review, which means do something again. Okay, so let's do this together. And what I'd like you to do is say the sounds each letter makes and then put them all together with me. If I go too fast, I want you to pause the video, and I want you to try to do it yourself. Now I'm going to use my cursor, and you're going to follow along with the word that I'm pointing to. If it's really super hard for you, you can do this. You can sound out the word 2 times. For example, let's do number 1. D, add, d, add, d, add, dad. That's our first word. Let's do this one. D, an, dan, an. If I can read an, I can read other words that have an in it, like an has a D at the Dan has a D at the beginning of an. So you can just go d, an, dan. An. How about this one? An, nan. An, man. Or if you need to sound out each letter, you can say man. Let's try row 2. At, mat. Can, Sam. Add, sad. At, cat. If I went too fast, please pause the video, try this on your own, and slow it down. Let's try row 3. Add, mad. Tam. Cam. At. That's also a sight word. If I can read at, I can read words that have at inside of it. So this word is at, sat, or I can go at, sat. Now let's read all of these words the fast way. You can focus on that middle sound, which is ah. And sometimes your brains know the sounds that the consonants make, and you can read it the fast way. So I kind of like to point to the vowel sound in the middle and let my brain do its work by knowing the consonant sounds and just saying it the fast way. Dad, Dan, an, nan, man, mat, can, Sam, sad, cat, mad, tam, cam, at, sat. And then we have a sentence with these words. You can sound them out, but we do try to read these the fast way. The words that are underlined are words that are sight words. We must know them. These are our words to know. That means you can't always sound them out. You just have to look at them and know them, almost like they're your friend, and you know your friend's name is Cam. Right? So A-N-D spells and. T-H-E spells the. W-I-T-H spells with. So again, we have and, the, with. Those are our sight words. We can sound this out. D, add, dad, and, the, k, at, cat, s, at, sat, with, t, am, tam. Let's read that the fast way. Dad and the cat sat with Tam. Very, very good job. We remember we sound out each letter and then put them together. We blend them together and we read the whole word. Please practice, practice, practice. And then I would like you to move on to our next story called Dan and Nan. So this is part 2 of short A reading. I will see you in my next video.